Hi guys, thanks so much for joining me today for this ballet-inspired dancer's leg workout. You won't need any equipment for this workout. All you need is a mat, so go ahead or roll out your mat and let's get started on a tabletop on all fours. Let's start by doing some cat-cows. On the next exhale, tuck your chin to your chest, arch your back into a cat, and then on the next inhale, look up into a cow, lift your tailbone to the sky. Again, exhale to a cat, and let's inhale to a cow, open the shoulders, open the chest. Last one, exhale to a cat, and let's inhale to a cow. Let's bring it back to a neutral spine in our tabletop, belly button to spine. Take your right leg behind you, and you're gonna lift it up, turned out to an arabesque. Let's lift it up 8 times. Feel free to go on your elbows. Lift it up for 8, and 7, and 6, keeping it turned out. 5, 4, and we have 3. Really rotate that leg. 2, and last one, we're going to hold it here. Let's hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and let's pulse it out for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's repeat everything from the beginning. We lift the leg up and down for 8, and 7, be sure to really keep it behind you. 6, we're working on our arabesque here. 5, and we have 4, almost there. Let's go for 3, and again for 2. Last time, 1, then we pulse it up. Before we pulse it, let's hold it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, keep lifting up 2, 1, let's pulse it for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Go ahead, tuck your toes under, lift your hips up into a downward facing dog for a well-deserved stretch. Pedal out your feet here, and let's repeat everything on the second side. We start with our left leg back. This time we lift the leg up and down for 8. Let's go, lifting it up for 8, and lower, and 7, and lower. We have 6, and 5, and we have 4, 3, almost there, 2. Last one, we're going to hold it up here for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pulse it out for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We start from the beginning. Tap it down and up for 8, and 7, and we have 6, and 5, almost there. You've got this. 4, keep those hips square, and we have 3, and 2. Last one, we're going to hold it up at the top, keep it lifted for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's pulse the leg up and down for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Once again, take a well-deserved stretch. Let's go to a child's pose this time. Let's shift forward onto our hands and knees, tuck the toes under, lift our hips up into a downward facing dog, pedal out the feet, and then we'll come all the way onto our left side, right leg on top, and let's go ahead and stack the knees, stack the hips, stack the feet, both knees bent. We start with some clamshells. Let's open for 8, and lower nice and slow, 7, and lower. We open for 6, and lower. Let's go for 5, and lower, really working on those external rotators. 4, and let's do 3. Almost there. Let's go for 2. And after this last one, you're going to take your right toe behind your left toe into an attitude derriere and draw little circles for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, keeping the knee open, 3, 2, let's do 8 more. Let's go for 8 again. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then tap the knees together and tap the toes again. Tap the knees, tap the toes. Let's go for 6. Tap the toes. Let's go for 5. Tap the toes. Tap the knees for 4 and tap the toes. Let's tap the knees for 3. Tap the toes. Let's tap the knees for 2. Tap the toes. Last one. Tap the knees and tap the toes. Straighten out your left leg. Right toe against your knee. Lift the knee. Extend to a développé second and lower it down. Let's do that 3 more times. Really working on that turnout on those extensions to the side with that développé à la seconde. And lower down. We have 2 more, rotating both legs toe to knee. Lift the knee, extend, lower down, and last one here, toe to knee. Lift the knee, extend, and hold it this time. And let's kick the leg down and up. Kick it down and up for 8, 7, almost there, 6, and 5. We have 4, and 3, 2, and then we're going to pulse the leg up for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go onto your back and go onto your side. Keep the height of the leg like a rond de jambe. Keep the height of the leg as you go onto your back and to your side. Let's do that 2 more times. Going onto your back, rotate both legs. This is your devant position. And to your side. Last one, keep both legs turned out, lifting that right leg as high as you can, and then you can pull the right leg in to stretch and relax. Go ahead and find a figure 4 here to stretch out the glutes and the turnout. Go ahead and take your time here, stretch it out. Feel free to thread your hands through into a full figure 4. And then let's do everything on the second side. So go ahead and lay on your right side, left leg stacked on top of your right. We begin with those 8 slow clamshells to really work on our external rotators. So let's open up the left knee for 8 and close it off. Again for 7 and lower. Let's go for 6 and lower. And we have 5 and lower. Beautiful. We have 4 and lower. Let's go for 3 and lower. We have 2, lower, down, last one. 1, take the left toe behind your right toe, draw 16 circles, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We tap the knees together and tap the toes. Let's do that for 7. Tap the toes. And 6, really keeping those hips stable and steady. Let's go for 5. Tap the toes. And we have 4. Tap the toes, almost there. 3. Tap the toes. And 2. Tap the toes, last one. 1, rotate the left knee, rotate the right foot and leg. And we do the développé to the side. Left leg comes up and lower it all the way down. Let's do that 3 more times, really working on our extension to the side as well as our flexibility and our turnout. And lower down 2 more, toe to knee, lift the knee, extend, and lower down. Last one, toe to knee, lift the knee and extend, hold it. And let's kick the leg up and down for 8 and 7. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one, we pulse it up for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rotate onto your back, keeping the left leg up. And go back to your side, really rotating both legs. Again, back to your back, keeping the height of the leg. If anything, you're lifting it with each turn. Again, going to your back, keep the height of the leg. And back to your side. Last time, rotate to your back and then finally pull the left leg into a stretch. Feel free to relax the leg, bring the knee in, take a figure four. Do what you need to do here. That was hard work. You deserve a stretch. Take some time here to relax, breathe, grab a sip of water if you need, and then we're going to meet on our seat. Take a butterfly stretch just to really stretch out those glutes. Go ahead and fold forward here. And then extend your legs in front of you, and we're going to rotate both legs. We're going to start by lifting the right leg up and over like a rainbow, both legs rotated, really working on our inner thighs as well as our rotators. Let's lift the right leg up and down, tapping it to the outside of our mat and the inside. We do that 8 times. Let's go for 7 and in. We go for 6 and in. We go for 5 and in. And we have 4 and in. Let's go for 3 and in. 2 and last one. 1. Now lift the leg as high as you can in front of you. Pulse it for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Stretch it out. Let's do the same thing on the left side. Go ahead and rotate both legs. Roll the shoulders open. Bring your shoulders back a little bit if you need. And we lift the left leg, tapping it to the outside of our mat. Back in. Both legs rotated. Let's go. 4, 8. Bring it back. We have 7. Bring it back. And 6. Bring it back. Let's go for 5. Bring it back. We have 4, almost there, guys. I know this is the most challenging part. 3 and 2. Beautiful. Last one. Bring the leg back in. Lift the leg as high as you can. Pulse up for 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stretch it out. Relax. You deserve this stretch. Oh my goodness, I know that was really, really challenging. Go ahead and thread your legs behind you. Find your final down dog today. Tuck your toes under, lift your hips up, stretch out the back of your legs, and let's finally take a step forward with that left leg in a low lunge. Place the right knee gently on the floor, stretch it out, do what feels good for the hips. Let's sit the hips back, stretch the front knee, and then go ahead and feel free to slide into a left leg split. We'll do the exact same thing on the second side as well. Before we go to the second side, let's rotate both legs into a middle here, into a straddle stretch. Come back to your left side split, really working on our open hips for ballet and for dance in general. And then let's find that downward facing dog once again. I know, kind of awkward getting into it, but pedal out your feet. And we do the same thing to the right. Take a step forward with your right foot, left leg back in a lunge. Open up the shoulders, open up the chest, open up the hips. And let's sit halfway back. Stretch your right knee and feel free to slide into a right leg split. And same thing, from our right leg split, let's make sure our hips are nice and square first. And then we rotate both legs into a straddle stretch. Try to keep your hips as low as you can. And feel free to stretch forward here in your middle, in your straddle, and then go back to your right leg split here, just so we finish the same way we started. Find that down dog once again. I know it's kind of awkward, but just come out of it any way that's comfortable. Find your downward facing dog, pedal out your feet. I know I said your last one was a few times ago, but this is actually your last one. Go ahead and find a comfortable seated position, right foot on top of your left knee, right knee on top of your left foot, stretch it out, and switch sides to stretch out your glutes. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let's take our hands up, hands come down to heart center. I hope you enjoyed this class. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, what you want to see next. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, happy dancing, and until next time, bye now.